Hey there, how are you? My name's Russell Birdswhistle. Now, I'm just offering you this free lead system. It's very powerful to use. I'm sorry about the wind, I just got excited about making this video. So, when you opt in below, when you put your name and email in below, make sure you check your inbox, your deleted file and your spam folder, because your link for your free lead system will go to one of those three things. Unfortunately, that's the way it is. That's the way email works nowadays. It's just seemed to have gone downhill. So don't forget, you opt in, and about 2 minutes later check your email, your spam folder, deleted files and your inbox, and you'll have a link there for your free lead system with a username and password. Alright? Super! Alright, check soon, take care, bye.